Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone. Good morning. Today we would like to discuss the impact of social media on daily life. Hi Sam, how are you?
Good morning, Alhamdulillah. I'm good. Thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well too. So let's start our discussion. What do you think about social media nowadays?
Social media. In my opinion, social media has become one of the most important parts of modern life. Almost everyone uses social media every day, from teenagers to adults.
I agree with you. Personally, I think social media makes communication much easier and faster. People can send messages, share information, and communicate with others in just a few minutes.
That's true. From my point of view, social media also help friends and family who live far away.
Yes, exactly. I think media is very useful for student too. Many students use YouTube, Instagram, TikTok to learn new things.
I agree. My opinion, educational content on social media can make learning more interesting and easier to understand. Sometimes short videos are easier to remember than reading long books.
That's a good point. Personally, I often watch educational videos to improve my knowledge and skills.
Me too. Besides education, I think social media can also help people promote their business and creativity.
Yes, especially for small business, many people use social media platforms to sell product and reach more customers.
Exactly. I, in my view, social media creates many opportunities for people to earn money and build their career.
However, despite the positive effects, I think social media also has many negative impacts.
I completely agree. One of the biggest problem is addiction to social media. Many people spend too much time scrolling on their phone.
Yes, that's true. Personally, I think some people become less productive because they spend hours watching unnecessary content.
I think so too. Sometimes students forget their responsibilities because they are too focused on social media.
Exactly. In my opinion, social media can also reduce direct communication between people.
That's right. Nowadays, why people prefer chatting online rather than talking face to face, face to face.
Yeah, personally, I think real communication is still very important because it helps build stronger relationship.
I agree with that opinion. Besides that, social media can also affect mental health.
Yes, especially when people compare themselves to others on the internet.
Exactly. In my view, many users only show the best moment of their lives on social media, so other people might feel insecure or jealous.
That's very common problem today. Personally, I think many teenagers feels pressured to look perfect because of social media trends.
I agree. Sometimes people care too much about likes, comment, and followers.
Yes, and I think that can reduce self confidence if they do not get enough attention online.
Besides mental health problem, social media can also spread fake news very quickly.
It's true. In my opinion, many people share information without checking whether it is true or false.
Exactly. From my perspective, users should be more careful and responsible before sharing information online.
Yeah, I completely agree. Social media should be used wisely, not carelessly.
Yes, personally, I think people should control their screen time and focus more on real life activities.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I also believe spending time with family and friends directly is very important.
Absolutely. In my opinion, balance is the key to using social media in healthy way.
So, can we conclude that social media has both positive and negative impacts?
Yes, of course. I think social media is very beneficial if people use it wisely and responsibly.
Yeah, I agree with you. Social media can help people communicate, learn, and work, but people must also be aware of the negative effects.
Exactly, the most important thing is now uh, how manage and control our use of social media.
Well, I think that's for from our discussion today. Thank you for sharing your opinions, Hisam.
Okay, okay. You're welcome, Burhan. Thank you as well. It was a great discussion. Thank
Thank
you
you
for
for
listening,
listening, everyone.
everyone.
Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.